Governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, don tok say security dey very important for the state, sake of say na states wey get better security na dey attract correct investment. Obaseki tok dis one through the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu, wey represent am for the passing out parade of 574 vigilantes for the Batch A Edo Security Vigilante Hunter Network from the 6 local government areas for Edo North Senatorial District on Tuesday for Ogida Barracks, Benin City. Obaseki wey throw salute give the Edo State Security Network for their ogbonge work, constantly encourage the vigilante, make them continue to do their work well.
On behalf of the Governor of Edo State and good people of Edo State and government of Edo State, and on behalf of the CP, I want to join to congratulate all of you for your successful program, and to also congratulate you for being certified now as Vigilante Network of Edo State. I want to congratulate you. You have gone through series of training, and you've been tutored, and you've been educated and drilled on the work ahead. I'm sure you are better equipped now than you came here, and the training you've received, it is time to put it to practice. I want to thank the Nigerian Police Force and other security agencies for the training you've given to these young ones that have been brought here to join the State Security Network. For us in Edo State, we have a security network that is all-encompassing. Beyond the State Security Service, everybody in Edo State is already enlisted and enrolled into Edo State Security Network, whether on uniform or without uniform. Because the police cannot be in your bedroom. The police cannot be in your sitting room. The police can only be in strategic area watching over lives and property. It will be effective only to the extent that all of us are able to give necessary information to them, which they will work on to secure our land. Edo State today is one of the most secured states as far as this country is concerned. Not because we have two heads, but because we have a governor that have been able to coordinate all of us to the extent that we now take security as a priority. Because without a secured land, there's no way investment can come. And without investment, obviously poverty will be the order of the day. And for us, our concern is an effort is how to make poverty history in our state. And the first step is to have a state that is peaceful, a state where there's law and order. And it's in that light that we establish Edo State Security Network, which comprises of the state security, the vigilante, and also the hunters, and also synergy with the clan head and traditional ruler and villagers and community leader to be able to adequately bring security to our doorstep. Today, we are already recording successes. We are not there yet until we have a state where everybody can move freely without any itches. A state where everybody can sleep with his eye closed. A state where investment abound. A state where people will come with their money, believing that that money that they are bringing to invest, they will yield dividends because they have a state that is secured. Today is not a speech-making day, but to just charge you graduates that all that you have learned in the past 2 weeks, please put it to use. Remember, you have not been trained to go and terrorize your community. You have been trained to go and complement the effort of State Security Council. That is what you have been charged to do. And your duty is also to inform and monitor all government properties, lives in your various community. And this work that you have been given, you must work in synergy with nailed down procedures and rules and regulations that you have been taught during this training. Your coordinator, your number one coordinator is the DPO in your various areas. You must work in harmony with your DPO. You must not do anything outside your DPO, because for now, we don't have state policing yet, but we have Edo State Security Network, and that security network is coordinated by the Nigerian Police Force and in synergy with our Divisional Police Command. And so, just like the CP said, any arrest, any movement, you must report to the nearest Divisional Police office in your area. And you must work, obviously. You were selected by your community leader, by your traditional rulers and village heads. You must work in harmony with them. You must shun all negativity. And don't forget, if there is any of you that go outside the law, none of you is above the law. You have been recruited to serve your community, to serve humanity. Please, I want you to take it very, very seriously.
Obaseki constitute mount atop the Igweben train attack, say them don't rescue another victim, and the remaining one waste the day with the Tifi Jankoriko hand, say them go do their best to rescue him.
A train attack, you are already aware, occurred last week, but the efforts that these men and women put in has led to the rescue of almost everybody. Only one person is left. Please just give them a round of applause. Yesterday night we rescued another one. The last person is on the run, but we will get them. We are not yet there. We are still striving to be there. With your cooperation, we will get there. I'm using this occasion to please appeal to every well-meaning Edolite. Please, when you see anything, say something. When you see any suspicious movement in your area, please let us know. At your beck and call, close by, just by your house, we have Edo Security Network just behind you.
Assistant Commissioner of Police Bamidele Awoniyi, wey be the Commandant Police Training School Benin, contact the Edo State Government and other security agencies for their ogbonge support and can encourage the trainees make them remember everything wey them learn.
From 6 local government areas of Edo North Senatorial District. You will recall that this is a training program put together by the Edo State Government to have effective and efficient vigilante stroke on-target group to complement the efforts and manpower of police in this era of community policing. This training program comes to climax today, started precisely on the 3rd January 2023 with rigorous physical, mental exertion. By the grace of God, the school has been able to take these graduates through basic topics such as information management, fundamental human rights, joint operation, principle of self-defense, discipline, comportment, exhibit management, vital medical tips on first aid and other relevant topics. It is important to express our profound appreciation to other sister security agencies and police departments, Department of State Security Service, National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, Federal Fire Service, 5 PMF, Police Medical Officer, Explosive Ordnance Disposal Unit, who also extensively lectures on their various areas of responsibility to the graduates. To the trainees who are passing out today, I urge you to be a good ambassador of this great institution. Put all you have learned into practice and never indulge in any act that will bring your integrity into disrepute. Since you are going to work with your immediate community, I advise you to carry everybody in your locality along and encourage them to be a law abiding citizens, civic-minded and security conscious. I wish to appreciate all those who made the program a success. The Commissioner of Police Edo State, CP Mohammed Adamu Dankwara, FDMB, FCI MN, the Assistant Inspector General of Police of 5 Benin AIG Lawan T. Jimeta, the Inspector General of Police IGP Alkali Baba Usman, PSC, NMI, FDC, NEAP, CFR, and finally the Governor of Edo State. It's on this note, I want to make the general public to know that one of the participants on his own helped to repair and renovate our mosque in this place. And the person of Nasiru Ede from Esako West. It is worthy of note. It is worthy of note to let our guests know voluntarily, after going to that place for a prayer, he decided to pull a ties in the mosque. This is the kind of synergy we talk about. Such person, it will make this kind of training to go a long way to affect our community in various ways.
Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of operations, Mila Dantawaye, and Colonel Kole Omomia, will be the coordinator of the Edo State Security Network, constitute Matta to the people.
For you to be trained as members of Edo State Security Network, I must tell you that I've always appreciated the synergy that the police in Edo State have enjoyed working closely with the vigilante and the hunters community, especially as being brought together by the state government under the canopy of Edo State Security Network. I want to charge you in this very short goodwill message that as graduates of this institution, we have no doubt that our synergy will be stronger. I mean the synergy between the Edo State Security Network and the security organizations in the state. When I say security organizations in the state, I mean we've always enjoyed a very strong synergy with the DSS, with the military, with civil defense, NDLEA, and all the other federal security agencies. And ESN, we must commend you specially. You have done great, but I want to believe strongly that by this training, you will further appreciate why we should synergize the more. And so as you go out, we appeal to you that you work closely with your DPOs, making sure that whatever you do, you're being advised by the divisional police officers that you work directly under. Some members of the VGN will create cells that they operate with. The police commissioner has advised strongly that you please desist from that and make sure that whenever there is any arrest made, the first point of contact or the next set of people you are thinking of to take those suspects that you apprehend to are your DPOs, so that they will advise you according to the laws of the land.
574 operatives and hunters and dogs, 6 local governments will train. Immediately after this, the second batch is going to go to for the training, for the 2 weeks intensive training, followed by the third batch. It's been very wonderful. The men have been trained, and I believe they are really going to do their best on what they are taught in the field. The message I have for them, they should respect the Edo State Security Vigilante Network, the core value, discipline, loyalty, and selfless service. So of course I believe they are surely going to adhere to it.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC, then be your power. No say I'm giving any politician on the election day.